So hi guys, today we are making some simple lunch using the ingredients we have at home. So today I have some carrots, onion and potatoes in my fridge. So I'm taking them. In the meanwhile, boil some water. When the water starts to boil, transfer it to a bowl, preferably a larger bowl, and take some soya balls or soya chunks if you have, and soak them in the hot water. If you want, you can just boil them with the water itself. If you do this method, it hardly takes around 5 to 6 minutes. Now in the same pan, heat some oil and meanwhile cut the vegetables. Do, Cutting too small or too large is not necessary. Just usual shape is enough. Or if you want, you can cut it into your shape of choice. Now put the vegetables into the hot pan and roast them until they are nice and light brown in color. Not down, light brown in color, not too dark. Don't roast them, too much. I'll tell you why you should not roast them too much. After they are slightly golden color, you can see that. Now take a half cup of water and put the water into the pan and let it boil around some time until the pieces, potato and carrot pieces are soft enough to break with the spoon, and cover it with a lid and let them boil for in a high flame. After the water is reduced, grind them to a smooth paste. It should look like this. If you want, you can swap the normal potato with sweet potato. It gives nice texture and flavor to it. After some time, see how soft soya chunks are. Now squeeze out the water in them. Remember, if you roast them while without squeezing them, it may not get that nice crusty exterior to it, and the taste also won't be that good. So remember to squeeze out the water. After squeezing out the water, just rub it with some salt and chili powder, and you can add some other seasonings like oregano, pepper, etc. Roast them on a medium or low flame. Don't roast them on high flame, otherwise they'll get burned very easily. After that, now pour the puree into the pan and let it simmer for around 2 to 3 minutes. Once it gets simmered, now add the seasonings of your choice. Here I am using salt, red chili powder and some other masalas. Just a little bit, not too much masalas. Now mix them well and let it cook for around 2 to 3 minutes on a low flame, because if you cook it on a medium flame is also okay, but don't cook it on a high flame because it gets burnt easily and the taste won't be that good. Now at last, add some peanut butter, a spoonful. If you have yogurt, you can add that instead of peanut butter. The reason for adding this peanut butter is it gives a nice creamy and smooth texture to it while eating. So mix it well, and after that transfer it to a serving bowl. Be careful, do not spill it. Once transfer it into the bowl, keep it aside and do not forget to check on the soya chunks. You can see they are roasted nice and brown on one side, and flip them to the other side and roast them on a medium flame. Once they are roasted nicely and even, you can see that nice gold texture to it. Transfer it to a plate and arrange it as you like. Here they are, soya chunks with some vegetable soup. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.